Feeling lost in the CRM jungle? Today, we're cracking the code to Follow Up Boss, making your lead management a breeze in just a few simple steps. First, let's talk about logging in. Open your web browser and go to followup.com. Enter the email and password you used when you signed up. If you've forgotten your password, just click the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions. Once you are logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your mission control. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see sections like Inbox, People, Deals, and Reporting in the navigation bar on the left. The People section is where all your leads, clients, and contacts live. Click on it. Here, you can add new people manually by clicking the Add Person button, or import a list from a spreadsheet by clicking on the Import button at the top right. To manually add a person, simply fill in the relevant fields: name, email, phone number, and any other details you want to include. You can also assign tags to categorize your contacts, like hot lead or past client. This is super helpful for segmentation. Now, head over to the Deals section. This is where you track your transactions. Follow Up Boss uses a pipeline to visualize where each deal stands. You can customize these stages to match your sales process. To create a deal, click Add Deal, associate it with a contact, and assign a stage to it. Finally, your inbox is where all your communication funnels in. Follow Up Boss automatically captures emails and texts, keeping everything organized in one place. You can respond directly from here, ensuring you never miss a beat. And that's the foundation. Explore the other features like reporting and integrations, but mastering these basics will get you off to a great start with Follow Up Boss. Now go get those leads.